Hey guys, it's Shaan, and today I'm going to be reviewing the HP Stream 14-inch laptop. But before we go ahead and get started, make sure you guys go ahead and hit that subscribe button, turn on post notifications, and smash that like button. But other than that, let's get started. So jumping straight into the video, the laptop itself comes with an Intel Celeron processor, what is clocked at 1.6 GHz and turbo boost to 2.5 GHz, has 4 GB of RAM, has a 14-inch 720p screen, a 32 GB eMMC, what is a solid state drive, 802.11 AC Wi-Fi, and Bluetooth 4.2. This is all on the HP Stream 14. To the right side of the laptop, you guys can see it has the power cable input with a charging LED light to tell you if your device is charging. To the left side, you guys have a Kensington lock, an HDMI cable, two USB 3.1 ports, a USB 2.0 port, a headphone jack, and also an SD card slot with a power indicator. You have two speakers towards the bottom and the grip pads for when you place it on a table. The laptop itself does has a nice finish on the front and on the inside of the laptop, what makes it have more grip and nicer feel. It also does have a webcam with a microphone and an LED light to tell you when it's active. It has a full-size keyboard and also a trackpad. The keyboard just doesn't have the number pad, but that's perfectly fine. You also get the HP logo and the power button towards the top. Opening up the laptop does require two hands like most laptops do, but that's not really a downside as a lot of laptops have that and it doesn't waste that much time. When you turn on the laptop, you guys will see at 100% it will say around 8 hours remaining, and this is actually true. You guys can be getting 8 to 10 hours of screen on time using the laptop, what is quite amazing for a Windows 10 laptop. Opening up apps on here with the eMMC solid state drive works really quickly. As you guys can see, I just opened up Notepad and also my PC over here, and it opens up quite quickly. Obviously, more intensive apps will take a little bit longer, but it's definitely quicker than a actual hard drive, and it's a lot better. The trackpad is quite nice to use. It's all responsive. You guys have the multi-touch feature to do different gestures, what is quite a nice feature put in to the laptop. The keyboard itself types very well. It is quite noisy, but that's like with every laptop and every keyboard, so that's perfectly fine. And the travel distance is pretty good and it's not bad. I will definitely say that. Now, it does come with a 32 GB eMMC drive, but you guys only get around 15.6 GB, as you guys can see, what doesn't give you a lot of space to put pictures, music, applications, what definitely means you guys cannot be using it and to install a whole ton of applications. Like I said, these are the specs. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys did like the video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Also, make sure you guys go ahead and hit that subscribe button and turn on post notifications to see exactly when I post a new video. But other than that, thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you guys in my next video.